This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Julie Liebler. Waterfront. This home is a must-see. Sprawling 4-bedroom, 3 full bathroom ranch home on approximately 1 acre of landscaped grounds with views and deep water access to Linkhorn Bay. Fabulous floor plan with spacious living areas, formal dining room, luxurious primary suite plus 3 large bedrooms. Fully renovated kitchen with custom cabinetry, quartz countertops and top-of-the-line stainless appliances. Hardwood floors throughout. Bonus room over the garage. Private porch with outdoor kitchen for easy entertaining. Dock, boat lift, and beautifully landscaped yard with irrigation system. 2-car garage and loads of storage. For more information, review the details below.